Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the symptom. Device Manager shows code 43 for your GPU, and you note the exact device ID. Next, power down and reset the card. Make sure power connectors are fully latched, and verify BIOS/UEFI reports the slot. Once done, boot to safe mode and run the vendor the tool to fully uninstall existing drivers. This avoids driver conflicts. Finally, have the latest driver package ready on local storage, not streaming, so installation won't fail midway. You now perform the clean driver install. Boot normally, run the vendor installer, select custom and clean install options, and follow prompts. This restores correct driver files and registry entries. Next, check for GPU firmware or vBIOS updates from the manufacturer, flash only stable releases, and follow their command line or GUI tool instructions. A failed flash causes bigger issues. Also review motherboard BIOS. Set PCIe mode correctly, enable 4G decoding if needed, and disable. You finish by validating stability. Run GPU-Z, vendor telemetry, and a short stress test while watching Event Viewer for driver errors. This confirms whether the code 43 returns. If problems persist, swap the card into another PC or install a known good card in your machine to isolate hardware versus system issues. Once you identify the cause, either submit firmware logs and minidumps to vendor support or roll back a recent Windows update. If nothing works, consider RMA. Keep logs and screenshots ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.